Hello, this is Adam with Daily Grind Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your cart page using the DGD Crusade Shopify theme. So right now I'm on the cart page and I have a couple of products added to the cart. And as you can see here on the left, you have a couple of default sections that are added on the cart page. One, you're probably always going to want to turn off feature collection in most cases because once a person gets to your cart page, most likely you just want them to complete the checkout. So that is a consideration, is just to hit the eyeball and turn that off and just let the user focus on checking out. But is there if you prefer otherwise. Next, you have your cart section. So you can go into your cart section here. There are actually no options to customize the cart section there. So you do have some blocks you can add here, but none are really usable. So it kind of seems like, hey, there's nothing you can really do with the cart section, but that's not true. It's just you need to go to the theme settings to customize your cart page. And that's what I would recommend to do. So even if you go in here and for some reason you would see sometimes there's a theme settings option that will show available in this section right here. So you can see theme settings. So although you can click into, sometimes you have to refresh the Shopify customizer. But although sometimes when you click into the cart section and you see these theme settings here, I would recommend to just go into theme settings from the paintbrush icon here, and then to go down to your cart option and to drop that menu down and to work on your cart from here. With that being said, you have the option to use a page or a drawer. I would recommend just using the page because the drawer does not work. So do not expect there to be a drawer, working drawer for the cart page. Now you do have a cart drawer, pop-out cart on the product page. So for example, if we go to the GA4 tracking page here and you click add to cart, you do see that there is a pop-out cart, and yes, this is customizable, but the um, the ability to just allow this to be the only cart and to not use a cart page at all, that is not a possibility in the base theme, as you will have the option to either view your cart to check out or to continue shopping. But if you do click view cart, you will go to a cart page. So we just want to make that clear that your cart type it's set in stone. This setting actually does not do anything in the base theme, and we do not plan for it to do anything in the base theme. So you have the ability to enable cart notes. So right here you can see add order notes. So if someone wants to type in special instructions, they can. So to get rid of those, if you do not want those, just uncheck it. Is this a gift? Enable gift notes. Same type of area there. Just uncheck it if you do not want to enable gift notes. Then you have enable additional checkout buttons. What that is your quick checkout button. So if you have Google Pay or PayPal enabled on the site, those checkout buttons will also show below this checkout button here. So I do not have those enabled, so I cannot give you an example of what those look like currently. The continue shopping button, what this does is this controls whether you'll give it or not on the cart page. But basically, if you have an empty cart, if someone would go to the cart page and nothing is in the cart at all, then this show continue shopping button will just have a button show up on the cart page, and you can choose where to link it to. So I've linked it to this GA4 option. You can choose whether that button has an arrow or not, choose the size of the button, choose the button style, choose the button color. And that essentially what it'll do is if the cart's empty, they'll just get a message, your cart is empty, continue shopping button will be there, and that will take them to whatever product you set there. So most instances, the that button's not going to be visible because most of the time people only go to the cart page if they have a product in their cart, but it is a backup setting just for safety. Just know that is what it is, and then show free shipping message. So here you have the ability to customize the message that you're seeing. So congratulations, you've qualified for free shipping. That's what shows if the person does qualify for free shipping. But if we were to remove these products And let's see, I'm actually not sure if I have a free shipping set up in the system. No, I currently do not. So minimum spend for free shipping. Oh, actually I probably do. We would just, let me refresh. I'll just click save, although I did not really want to save. I'll just click save anyway. So now you can see it updated. Sometimes you have to save or refresh the customizer for updates to take effect. That's not very common, but just note that if for some reason something appears not to work, always try saving and refreshing the page, as sometimes the customizer needs you to do that for it to update. So now you can see spend 59.01 more to get free shipping, and that is based on this amount here. So based on what you adjust this amount to be, if I adjust it to be $90, then it would say what, 49.01. So if I adjust this to be 90, you can see that now spend 49.01 to get free shipping, and you have this little like data bar there that shows you how close you are essentially. So that is how that works. Then you have a message area. So this says new customer save 10% with welcome 10. So you do not have to use this. If you want to get rid of that, you can. It's just a good way to add an additional message or any details that you would want to add. So that is the cart options. And you do have the increase quantity, so that shows the wheel icon to load it. So that is how those look. Of course, we'll want to look to see how this looks on a mobile device as well. But that is the cart settings overall. But then below here, you have cart notification. So this is just going to change that cart notification background, which is that pop-out cart. So currently, you can see that the background is black and the button color is white. So if I click add to cart, that's why this is black and white. But of course, if we change this, maybe we want it to be our secondary color and black. Let's see how that looks. And of course, these colors are set in your theme settings as well under your colors. So, all right, so let's add to cart again. And there, see, now you see that that background is updated. So it gives you an idea of how that gets controlled there. All right, so now let's just give you a little mobile layout real quick so you can see that. So here's your mobile layout. You have the sticky checkout button, and then of course the checkout button will start becoming visible on the screen as they scroll past everything. And then you have the footer area. So that is the cart functionality, and make sure I did not overlook anything here for you. All right. So you do have the ability to add other sections and things, but like I said, typically I recommend just let the user focus on checking out. So that being said, that is the cart page in a nutshell. And now you're that much more prepared to use the DGD Crusade Shopify theme to maximize your site performance.